They don't want people to have people that care on them on the outside.
Oh, but you know, had their signs with a few things.
There's marijuana here. Actually, I have more access to drugs in here than I did on the outside.
It went well.
If you want the sign, go outside. They're not my rules.
Apparently they are, man, because you're enforcing them.
It's my job. I have a job.
When you think of, on one side, all the DE agents, the district attorneys, the assistant district attorneys, the people who build jails, who guard prisoners. There's a lot of personnel and money involved in this now. The U.S. government has spent countless millions of dollars trying to establish the toxicity which would justify this prohibition, which has led to the arrest of 11 million, mostly young Americans.
I want them to just stop harassing and jailing and fining and brutalizing my sick brothers and sisters.
For us, there was no other choice. There just wasn't another choice.
A lot of the drugs that we're warring against have a significant advantage in decreasing suffering. And medical marijuana, which is very, very safe, is one of the principal herbs that I ought to be able to use in order to help my patients.
You take a crock pot, you mix up some green stuff with some white stuff, and you give it to him, and suddenly he's not having seizures, he's eating, he's laughing, maybe a little bit too much at first, but he was laughing again.
All right. We're patients. We don't want to be criminals. We want a safe supply. It's natural. Just leave us alone and let us do it.
Allow it to be what it is. Yeah, and then when you're finally ingesting the medicine, you're also ingesting your own love for yourself in many ways.
Nearly 700,000 Americans were arrested on marijuana charges last year. That's an enormous waste of law enforcement resources and terribly unfair to those arrested and their families. It's time we stopped arresting adults who smoke marijuana responsibly. For more information, visit NORML's website at www.